I'm Allison, this is Wonder Crochet. I have a little yarn unboxing for us today. And also we desperately need to reorganize my chenille yarn. Actually, looking at all of my yarn, this one's okay right here. These other two back here desperately need to be reorganized. I've honestly just been like shoving yarn in there while I'm working on projects and it's starting to show. In most of the videos that I film for like social media and with my new patterns, I like to have the yarn as just like a pretty colorful backdrop, and I keep looking over there because it looks so bad and it's been bothering me for a while. So I went through all my chenille yarn and I picked out colors that I was really low on. Red especially. Going into the winter Christmas season, I don't even have a full skein of red, and I knew that that was a problem because I've been working on Christmas patterns already. It is towards the end of October, so it's not that early to make Christmas plushies. Some people feel differently, but I don't, especially if you're doing Christmas markets, which I know a lot of you do. So I made this cute little gingerbread couple, and this pattern will be out on Friday, November 1st. So if you're looking for a quick workup, I have these two little cuties. And these are a little bit smaller than the typical plushies that I do. I do read your comments, and I know a lot of you use like burlap blanket yarn and even Sweet Snuggles Light, which are both a good bit bigger than Parfait Chunky or Honey Bunny. So I made these just a little bit smaller so that they work up quicker, and just love how they turned out. So obviously I needed more red because I ran out of red, and that made my decision easy to make the little gingerbread man's pants green instead of red because I just didn't have any left. So I ordered more, and I obviously ordered more colors. So I want to show you what all I got, and then we're going to organize my yarn and just make things look a lot better because the craft room is just, it's a hot mess right now. It really just looks like yarn threw up everywhere. To blatantly put it, not so pretty. Oh, and if you don't follow me on Instagram and you didn't see, I posted where I got these peppermint buttons from for my gingerbread plushies, and you can use them for really any Christmas plushie that you want. I'll link those in this video description where I got them from if you want to get some cute little plastic peppermint. They're actually beads, so they have little holes in the side. So if you wanted to make like earrings or a necklace from the extras, you can do that as well. Also, I'm very cozy today. I have on sweatpants, which doesn't happen that often. I was just feeling it's very cold out today, so I wanted to be cozy. So I did get this yarn from Premier. It's Premier Parfait Chunky. And I know there was some concern several months ago about quality in Parfait Chunky. I honestly hadn't ordered some in a while. I was using Hobie Honey Bunny mostly while they were figuring out kind of their quality control issues. So just like tugging on this yarn here, it doesn't seem like it has those issues. So I think we're safe. Yeah, I'm really tugging on it and it doesn't seem like it's falling apart, which is wonderful. And you know, chenille yarn is already, you know, can be a little bit tough to work with. So I'm glad that we have our good quality yarn back because, you know, Parfait Chunky has so many colors that it's so nice to just be able to order from one place. And it usually comes pretty quickly too. So I got one in shell, and I like to use this sometimes as a skin color for my plushies. I use this, I think, for strawberry shortcake because I wanted it to be just a little bit more orangey. And then of course I have red. This is Cardinal, and this is my favorite shade of red in any of the chenille yarns because it's not like bright in your face, but it's definitely bright enough. Perfect if you're making Christmas plushies. I think I got more than two. Oh no, I only got two, and I'll show you why. I'm very excited about this. I got Parfait Chunky Glitz, which is their sparkly yarn. And this is my first time getting sparkly yarn, which is wild because, you know, I love all things sparkly and fun. And I thought that this would be just so perfect for Christmas time. I honestly wish that I had this before I made my little gingerbread girl because she would look just so cute in this sparkly red. But don't worry, I have plans for other Christmas patterns too. So this is the white glitz, and of course it's very hard to see on camera. Here, let me move. This lighting might be a little bit better to see it. So there is the white, and you can see the little specks of sparkles in there. And then I got this red. So this is Cardinal, and it's the sparkly Cardinal. And I love that they picked Cardinal to put the glitter in and not like Poppy or any of the darker ones, because I think it's just the perfect color. So I'm super excited to make some Christmas plushies with these. Maybe I'll make another gingerbread with this sparkly color. And maybe I'll use white for the top because I think that that would look really pretty. And then I got a pink lemonade. This is just a lovely pink color. It's, again, my favorite of the pinks that Parfait Chunky has. There's a ton of different pink options, but I don't know. This shade has just always been my favorite. And then, of course, I needed more brown, and I have a lot of plans for this brown. I'll probably have to order more, but this is Teddy Bear. And it's just a beautiful milk chocolate brown, perfect for animals. And then I got a cornflower, and I always like using this blue. What did I use it on most recently? Oh, when I made my blueberry doll, I used this color blue for her hat and her dress, and it was perfect. Also, if you like crocheting stitch, I have a free stitch pattern on my blog. This is Stitch Blue. And then of course I always need more key lime. It's just the prettiest pastel green color. And I think this is the only pastel green color that I've been able to find. Yeah, even in Hobby Honey Bunny or Toucan, they haven't had this specific color. So I feel like this is mostly just for Parfait Chunky. I haven't tried all of the chenille yarns. I know there's a ton of brands out there, but I just get the ones that are easiest to get my hands on and have the largest option of colors. And then I just needed like one more skein of a few colors. So I got this gray. It's a light gray. It's called Fog. Looks like fog. And then I needed a light pink, and I think this is Ballet. Oh no, this is Cotton Candy. I can usually not tell Cotton Candy and Ballet apart because they're so close in color. And then I used up pretty much all my orange making Halloween plushies and making pumpkins. So I got another, and this is Tangerine. I got a darker gray. This is the color Seal. And I got another Toffee, and this is just a nice light tan color. I use this all the time for animals and for baked goods. So if you've made like my ice cream cone, the cone color is this, or my squirrel or kangaroo pattern, they're all this color. So this is kind of a staple for me. And then the last one, I needed another, yes, Sunshine. So they have yellow and they have Sunshine. They're similar, but Sunshine is just a little bit brighter, less pastel than the yellow. So I got a ton of new yarns, and I'm of course most excited for the sparkly ones. Now let's organize. So I'll show you what we're working with. I'm going to organize the chenille ones first and put all these in here. I really hope that they all fit. I think they should, because I was getting low on some colors. And thankfully I only got one more blue, because even looking at it, my blue cube is full. And so is purple, and I don't think I didn't get any purple, so I did a good job with inventory. So as you can see, it's just a little bit messy over here. Oh yeah, Kirby has a bunch of yarn on his head. I really just need to clean this up. It's not that bad, but it's definitely bothering me. I'm bringing all of this yarn over here and piling it up. I think that I gathered all the, oh, there's one over here. I think I gathered all the yarn up, but I'm really just going to go cube by cube and get them out and then reorganize said cube. This would be a great time for a yarn winder, and I know we've been talking about this for years that I don't have a yarn winder, but I don't know, I just like them in like these little long and skinny skeins. I feel like I can fit more than if it was in a cake. Let me know your thoughts. I could be persuaded into it. Also, again, unrelated, but you know me, I like to jump around. I went to Five Below yesterday and love a good Five Below trip. They have these mystery strawberry shortcake toys. I kind of cheated, not really cheated, because they're scented, and I know I wanted strawberry shortcake because there's strawberry shortcake, blueberry muffin, orange blossom, sour grapes, the peculiar purple pie man, which I didn't know was a thing, and then there's a glow-in-the-dark strawberry shortcake. So it's very scented. I was in there like sniffing all of them for strawberry shortcake. So I was very excited. I'm gonna put her on my keys because, you know, I'm in my strawberry shortcake era. And look how cute they are together. They had a ton of strawberry shortcake stuff at Five Below, so if you are a strawberry shortcake fan like me, then definitely check that out. And they have a ton of stuff for gifts as well. I got this cute little notebook too, and I thought this would be perfect for pattern writing. I just thought it was adorable. Also, look, it has Custard, her cat. So I got those cute little things, and then I also got this Hello Kitty Christmas t-shirt. So you'll see me wearing this in future videos, but you know, I love a cute graphic tee, especially Hello Kitty. And then the last thing I thought was really cute was this Mickey and Friends t-shirt. And I got matching ones for Mr. Wonder Crochet and I, so we can wear them on Christmas morning. Okay, I'm done with all my shopping hauls. I really don't go shopping very often, so I get very excited when I do. Now let's get organized and make this pretty again. It is so much better. I can't tell you, except for that random orange one, but let's just ignore that. I can't tell you how much better this makes me feel. I love organization. Okay, before we go, I just made this cute little pastel gingerbread girl, and I did use, I know it's hard to tell in this lighting, the Parfait Chunky Glitz. So it has a little bit of a sparkle on the top and on the skirt there. And I just really love how she turned out. I wanted to show you since I used some of the new yarns that we just unboxed. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little yarn unboxing and organizing video. I have some fun free pattern roundups coming up, and of course more crochet challenges. So if you don't already, give me a follow over on my Instagram. I post all my fun over there and when my new patterns are out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.